Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I can create this cowboy outfits in Dress to Impress. So in this tutorial, we are wrangling the ultimate wild west look, no VIP needed. So if you want to know how I create this look, let me show you the steps. So first, let's start with the hair. I'm going to put on this wavy hair and color it blonde. Then I'm going to combine it with this bangs. Also this bangs in here. Okay, so once you're done with the hair, you can start with the outfit. So first, for the top, I'm going to put on this currency items. This top in here. And then I'm going to change the color using this coal patterns, and the rest of the color make it white like this. And here I'm going to find the rest on the women sections. First, I'm going to put on the this skirt in here, and also this one, combine it and change the color into brown and make the material leather. Then for the shoe, I'm going to put on this boots in here, change the color into brown, make it leather. And for the shoe lies, I'm going to make it brown also. And I'm going to combine it with the socks to go it into white strip socks, but make the color all black. And now I'm going to put on this bags as the accessory. For the first preview, make the patterns, and the rest of the color I'm going to make it red. And here I'm going to put on this earrings and make it red, and put on this necklace in silver like this. And now put on the cowboy hat. For the hat, I'm going to make it brown, and the line in here, the accent, make it red. And this is optional, but you can also put on this on the sleeves. So to go it into sleeves only and make the color white like this. So now this is the final look of cowboy for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.